Hi everybody, good morning to meteorologist Travis Koneski here on this Tuesday morning where we are going to see another day of some breezy conditions out there, but with a cold front coming through today, push of some very dry air is going to move in from the west and northwest. The combination of some breezy conditions, very dry, somewhat hot conditions out there will lead to a day of high fire threat. Critical fire danger off towards the west and to the northwest. Does include a couple of counties in the local 4 viewing area. Southern Rock and Brown County as well as Blaine County are included, and then off to the west into the Sandhills and Panhandle of Nebraska. For some is already in place this morning, but for others will be in place, and for our viewing area specifically, it will be in place starting at 1 o'clock this afternoon, continuing until 8 o'clock this evening. Now, kind of looking at the future dew points here, it's not terribly humid this morning, but watch what happens as the day goes on. The dew point's actually going to dry, come in lower later today as cold front pushes through, so even drier air pushes through later today and into this evening. So not terribly humid out there today, even if the temperatures are going to still be quite warm. And in fact, warm enough that we're still going to see heat index values maybe as high as 100 to 105 in northern Kansas and southeast Nebraska, where a heat advisory will be in place from 1 o'clock this afternoon until 8 o'clock this evening. So let's take a look at things. We do have a cold front on our doorstep here. I'll kind of point that out. It's right here towards the north and west. Breezy southerly winds. They're taking a northwesterly turn. They will be a little bit breezy behind that front today, drawing in that drier air. A little cooler to the northwest, but most of us still pretty warm out there for today. Tonight, this is when more of us will feel that cooler air as the winds die down, the skies remain mostly clear. Kind of a more comfortable night ahead of us for tonight. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine, a couple of passing clouds in the south. The winds won't be as breezy tomorrow. Temperature's still pretty warm out there for your day on Wednesday. And then Wednesday night, a quiet night. This does look like the last quiet night for our area, as beginning Thursday evening and Thursday night we will start to reintroduce at least slight chances of rain and thunderstorms to the forecast. And it looks like after that we'll continue to see some off and on slight chances, mainly during the evening and overnight hours. So while to the northwest cooler today, yesterday they had 100 to 111 degrees in northwest Nebraska. Today 90s. That's a big drop in temperatures, but most of us will see 90s, might still see some triple digits over southwest portions of Nebraska. Tonight we'll dip back into the 60s for overnight lows, even some cooler 50s out west, so a little pleasant weather for tonight and into tomorrow morning. Highs tomorrow back up into the 90s, maybe even back to around 100 degrees out west. Tomorrow night, 60s for overnight lows, a little warmer than tonight. And then Thursday temperatures start to come back up. We're back up into the mid to upper 90s and some triple digits off towards the south and west. So the heat beginning to build in. It will get even a little bit hotter yet as we get towards the end of this week. So you see, after a slight cool down for tomorrow, we start to come back up on Thursday. Thursday evening and overnight Thursday night, a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms, and after that we'll continue to see some off and on chances. Better chances will be mainly during the evening and overnight hours. The majority of this time frame will be dry, and again, these are slight chances. We're not looking at widespread rainfall. It would come with maybe a small chance of some severe weather every one of those nights here. We'll kind of get that figured out as we get a little bit closer. Sometimes predicting thunderstorms, the placement of the thunderstorms, the intensity, sometimes this far out can be very difficult to do. So we'll just go with the small chances for now through the weekend. We might get a slightly better chance late Saturday night into Sunday, and then again Sunday night as a cold front comes through. So after a couple of pretty hot days there, Friday and Saturday, we'll be pushing upper 90s to near 100. We will see those temperatures come down just a little bit Sunday and Monday, closer to average in fact, with upper 80s to near 90 degrees. As you look at the long range extended trends here, we do see those temperatures staying down a little bit early to middle portions of next week. Still warm, still very warm, upper 80s, lower 90s, just not quite as hot as what we'll see for the latter portions of this week. And again, just to kind of get an idea of those long-range trends here, I'll show you a couple of long-range forecast models. This is the European model here, and again, the next couple of days, mainly dry weather, not expecting much here, but as we fast forward here to, and I'll jump this all the way up to Thursday evening, that's when we start to see these small chances of rain and thunderstorms. Again, these are not guarantees by any means. There's Friday evening right there, Friday night. Again, we're just talking small chances here and there. Saturday evening, Saturday night, again, another one of those small chances right there. Maybe a little better chance out east, we'll see. And then Sunday evening, Sunday night, maybe a slightly better chance for our area as a cold front comes through here. And then the chance will continue Monday evening, Monday night, another chance of some showers and storms. So that's the European forecast model. The GFS model is somewhat similar. There are some differences, but again, this far out, I'm not going to focus on that too much right now. Again, mainly dry weather today, tomorrow. Again, looking ahead to Thursday, still dry during the day, Thursday right there. But it's Thursday evening we start to reintroduce slight chances of showers and thunderstorms. Another slight chance here as we jump ahead to Friday evening, overnight Friday night. But again, this isn't widespread heavy rainfall, real organized severe weather or anything like that. Looking ahead to Friday night, Saturday morning, again, another chance. It's a small chance. Saturday night into Sunday morning, maybe a slightly better chance as a cold front again sinks south through the area. We cool it down a little bit Sunday. We'll throw in another slight chance there. Maybe a slightly better chance Sunday night and into Monday morning. And then again towards Monday night, another small chance of rain and thunderstorms Monday night into Tuesday morning there. So you get the gist. It's not, certainly a guarantee by any means, but we at least have some chances returning after a dry couple of days ahead of us here for today, tomorrow, and even most of Thursday here. So we'll pop that 7-day forecast up one more time so you can get one more quick glance at that before I wrap things up here. So I appreciate y'all watching this morning, and I'll be back with you on Wednesday morning shortly after 7 o'clock with all of the latest. Until then, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Enjoy your Tuesday. Take care. God bless. Bye.